Live from WXIA TV in Atlanta, you're watching 11 Alive News at 6, Atlanta's first newscast in high definition.
Of the many questions asked in the aftermath of the Virginia Tech shootings, one was whether anything else could have been done to treat the shooter, Cho Seung-Hui, and perhaps prevent this awful tragedy.
Mark Picard's here. He's got some information about a mental health resource in Georgia. Mark, this is getting national attention now.
Absolutely, Ted, Brenda. You might think that the Georgia Crisis and Access Line is just another one of the well-meaning call centers whose impact is uncertain. But this is a different animal. It's funded by the state of Georgia, but run by a private company, Behavioral Health Link. And while it's only been running since July, it has already touched tens of thousands of Georgians.
Do you have any kind of support system, such as family or friends?
The opportunity to talk in private, confidentially, with a trained social worker or counselor about worry or fear or pain. To ask for help for yourself or someone else.
With the stigma that goes with mental illness in our society even today, it's hard to make that step. But we want to make accessibility of care as easy as possible.
David Covington and the staff at the Georgia Crisis and Access Line have noticed an increase in the volume of calls they've gotten this week and a change in their nature because of Virginia Tech.
People who are concerned about someone in their life who seems like they've got some anger and aggression and they act a little bit different, they're not socially fitting in, or other people who are struggling with just the impact of their own grief or anger related to this.
Covington was impressed by how people on the Virginia Tech campus reacted to Cho Seung-Hui and how they tried to get him help. He encourages us to do the same.
It is incumbent upon us is to do what those professors did, to do what that dorm mate did, is to do everything we can to encourage treatment.
The key is treatment, to get people in need linked up.
When somebody calls, we can link them up. And we're not going to give them more phone numbers to call. We're going to schedule them an appointment. We're trying to make sure that somebody like this individual is actually linked up.
Covington believes we already know someone who needs help. He is hoping the tragedy at Virginia Tech will move us to call. The Georgia Crisis and Access Line is open 24 hours a day, every day. If you or someone you know would benefit by talking with a mental health care professional, I'll give you the website for that. It is www.mygcal.com. That and the phone number you can find on our website at seenon11alive.com. Live in the newsroom, Mark Picard, 11 Alive News.
Yeah, that can help a lot of people.
Good, Mark. Thank you very much. Mark.